Hayden, did we find a birdie? Piper, did we find a little bird? Really? Oh, look at him. He just flew inside the house. Hayden, look at bird in my hand. Here, right here. Want to see him? Here, look at here. I'll flip him over so you can see him. Look at this.
I'm gonna let him hold my hand.
Yeah, don't pick him up, Hayden. You can pet his tummy.
I like picking him up.
Yeah, you want to pick him up?
I won't be afraid.
Hayden, hold on
Fly
a
up.
second. Hayden, hold on a second. You want to see him fly up? Hey, Papa, you want to pet him a little bit more? While he's still calm? He's a nice bird. There you go, sweetie.
Daddy, unhold him.
Okay, 1 minute.
Daddy? Ta-da! I'll be like this, Daddy.
I know you won't, sweetie. Hayden's fine. Hayden, should we go outside? Look at me for a minute, buddy. Should we go outside and let the birdie go? Okay.
I'll hold him and go 1, 2, 3. Then let him go.
Okay. Hey, Hayden. This bird's a very good flyer. Should we let him fly around in the playroom a little bit? Would Mom think that's cool? Okay, you can hold him. Then you have to let him go when he wants to fly, okay?
Okay.
Hold him soft. Okay, wait. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead. See, look how good he is. He'll fly around in circles. Because they do that in the backyard, huh? Oh, he's gone downstairs now. Yeah. Where'd he go, guys?
He go downstairs. He flew down there. Like he flew over here.
Really? Okay. Hey, and where'd Birdie go? Where'd Birdie go?
Down there.
Should we go find him? Okay, let's go. What'd you say? Is he cute?
Huh?
Do you love him?
Love him. Can you put him on my neck?
Well, I think we should let him go outside now. He's had a chance to fly around. We've had a chance to pet him and see him. You want to hold him now? Hold him 2 hands. Don't let him go yet, okay? Hold it. There you go. We'll go let him go outside, okay, Pipes?
Okay.
Okay. Hold on tight, but not too tight. Let's go outside. Okay, walk a little faster, Pipes, so I don't step on you. Okay, let's go out in the middle.
I'm kissing him.
You're gonna kiss him? Oh, that's sweet. Okay, let's go out in the middle of the yard first, okay? Okay, wait a second. Don't let him go yet. Come on, I want to see it. Come over here. Okay. Hayden, come here. We're gonna let the bird go.
1,
Okay,
2.
wait a second. Okay, Hayden, you want to say bye to Bird? Say bye-bye. Okay, go say bye to Bird. You can say bye to him.
Bye. Hey, give him a kiss on his head.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Let him go. Throw him up.